problems and risks within Parañaque City College. We found that the safety and security of students, professors, and staff are significant concerns. The school lacks adequate security, personnel, and CCTV cameras, and there is no dedicated organization that primarily focuses on campus safety and security. Moreover, approximately a month ago, one student from the campus was robbed while walking a short distance from the school premises. Two men riding a motorcycle snatched his iPhone. This incident was not isolated, as similar cases of robbery and snatching have previously occurred around the vicinity of the school. This problem is not only occurring at Parañaque City College, but also in other schools and organizations. Upon critical analysis, we found that the lack of security personnel and security devices, such as CCTV cameras, is mainly due to insufficient financial support. The installation of CCTV cameras requires budget allocation from the school's finances, while the shortage of security personnel is caused by limited funds for salaries. These two issues are closely connected and require a significant budget, as the school must invest in higher standards of safety and security to ensure efficiency and effectiveness.
The school may request contribution from parents and teachers, specifically for the installation of CCTV, to support the salary of security personnel. The school may engage in school-based activities such as fun run, where registration fee can be collected. The school may also hold alumni homecoming fundraiser. In addition, the school may seek partnership with local government. We observe that safety and security matters are often comes from lack of financial budget. And because of that, we come up with an idea after brainstorming that local government fund and fill the gap. That's why we suggest that the school may collaborate with local organizations like NGO, since they focus on school security and they contribute of parents and teachers for the installation